angles, interior and exterior of an angle. Do you remember what an angle is? Rays AB and AC have a common starting point at A. Such rays form an angle. Angle BAC or angle CAB. Angles measuring less than 90 degrees are called acute angles. Angles measuring exactly 90 degrees are called right angles. Angles measuring more than 90 degrees are called obtuse angles. Is there a trick to remember all this? Acute angle. Think of acute angle as a cute angle. Small things are usually cute. Acute angle is small. Acute angle is less than 90 degrees. Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle starts with O. O is big and round. An obtuse angle is big. Obtuse angle is more than 90 degrees. Match the pairs. Acute angle 65 degrees, 55 degrees. Obtuse angle 160 degrees, 250 degrees, 100 degrees. Right angle 90 degrees. How do we write the measure of an angle? The measure of an angle DEF is 55 degrees. The measure of an angle ABC is 115 degrees. The measure of an angle STU is 130 degrees. Comparing angles. The measure of an angle XYZ is 70 degrees. The measure of an angle PQR is 40 degrees. Which angle is bigger? The angle with the greater measure is greater than the other. As 70 degrees is greater than 40 degrees, angle XYZ is greater than angle PQR. The measure of an angle EFG is 85 degrees. The measure of an angle RST is 145 degrees. Which angle is bigger? The angle with the greater measure is greater than the other, as 145 degrees is greater than 85 degrees. Angle RST is greater than angle EFG. Now, name the bigger angle in each pair. Angle STU is bigger than angle RST. Angle XYZ is bigger than angle MNO. The interior of an angle. Interior means inside. The interior part of an angle is the part on the inside of the angle. The exterior of an angle. Exterior means outside. The exterior part of an angle is the part on the outside of the angle. The interior and the exterior of an angle. Look at the angle PQR. Ray QP and ray QR form the angle PQR. The inner part of an angle is called as interior of an angle. The red shaded part is the interior of an angle PQR. The outer part of an angle is called the exterior of an angle. The yellow dotted part is the exterior of an angle PQR. There are some points in the inner part of an angle A, B, C. Points A, B, C are in the interior of the angle. There are some points in the outer part of the angle. L, M, N. Points L, M, N are in the exterior of the angle. Now try to find the points that lie on the angle, in its interior and in its exterior. Points on the angle. Points P and F. Points in the interior of the angle. Points S, T. Points in the exterior of the angle. Points O, L, R. Did you understand the interior and exterior of the angle? Yes.